Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Now then, where are we? We're in Pattaya. I'm in my hotel, just nipped back, had a shower, spruced myself up, and I'm going to meet the Rabb at Subway at midday. I'm going to take him down to Terminal 21. He wants to look how much sunglasses are for his lad back home in England. Plus also wants to have a look around where he can get some English food and a coffee and all that lot. Because when I've gone home, he wants a few options of places where he can go. And then from Terminal 21, I'm going to go down to Site 6 and have a look, see if he likes it on there, how he gets on and whatever. So I'm going to kind of document it during the afternoon. He said that's alright, so we'll do that. But I've had an eventful morning as well. I've been out walking, did a bit of filming, then I met up with him and we went to Cybercow Market. He bought himself a little bag thing to put his glasses and his money in. I bought myself a pair of trainers because my Reebok ones are rubbing. I'm going to give them to the cleaner outside. They've just been rubbing my heels and they're not good to me. So I bought myself some trainers, 250 baht. We've been to Cheap Charlie's, had breakfast in there, that was nice. 129 baht for the breakfast. So I'm going to meet him now. I'll walk down Soilinki to Subway on Soidiana and get brought down to second row, get the BART bus to Terminal 21. So far so good in Pattaya. Last night it was all closed because of the elections. So we'll see how we get on today. A few beers, maybe a few sangsums, and who knows? Who knows what will happen on Site 6. Right, I'm just going to take my laundry across the road, and it's typical when I'm in a bit of a rush, somebody else is going in front of me. Is make hard work of this. You couldn't make it up. Howdy, Cap.
สวัสดีค่ะ
1 2 3 4 1 4
อ๋อ14วัน
ศูนย์
โอ้0
8
8
no 7
โอ้7 8เนาะ7 8
yeah Owen
โอวิน
yeah okay thank you tomorrow now okay thank you Fucking hell. I was getting all my numbers mixed up then. I do it on purpose to get the content. Shh. I'm going to show you my new trainers I bought. 250 baht. They're not named, but they're comfy, and the main thing is they're not rubbing my ankles at the back. My old trainers, my Reeboks, I gave them to the cleaning lady, and she was very happy. Oh, it's Scotch, yo. Keep hydrated. I'm gonna go obviously down Site 6. Obviously going down Site 6, but gonna have a drink of water before we get there. Just waiting for the Rabb to come now, and we'll make our way down. Here he is coming down with a red shirt on the other side of the road. I've gone off him already because he's got a red shirt on. At least it's not a United shirt. Now then, where are we? We're at the top of the world. No, we're at the top of Siam, at Siam. We've been walking around this morning. Here he is.
Hi guys.
What are your impressions? It's your first morning in Pattaya. We've had a bit of a wander around. What do you think?
totally blown away. It's absolutely stunning. The view from up here is fantastic. You take it all in and you can't go wrong.
Beautiful. We went in Terminal 21.
Beautiful, all the food on there for sale and everything, all the nice shops. Total class. Total
Class. And we had some breakfast at Cheap Charlie's, nice breakfast.
Cheap Charlie's was good this morning, yeah, can't fault it. I would recommend anybody goes down there and has a breakfast.
Yeah, it was good. We had a wander around, but now we're going to Soy 6. Now, he's never been, I've been loads of times. I'm going to ask him now. He's got a rough idea what it's like, but I'm going to ask him what he thinks it's going to be like. If he might not be able to get his head around it, but he will after a few beers, and I'll ask him after a few beers what he thinks of it. But first, I know you've never been, but what do you think you're going to see?
Well, from what I've heard, I'm not going to. I'm leaving everything open to the imagination. From what I've heard, I'm going to stay safe, but I'm going to enjoy myself.
Going to enjoy yourself. And your first impressions of the Thai people that you've seen so far?
Absolutely beautiful,
Fantastic.
Honest, friendly, always smiling.
Yeah.
Do anything for you.
Yeah. Yesterday we just got here and we had a bit of an incident when he left his bag on the bus, and I know how he felt because I'd have been absolutely distraught myself. He had his money in, his phone, his cards. A simple mistake. He's not an idiot. He knows what he's doing. He's a clued up guy. But it was just a split second. He left his bag on that bus. But the help of the lady at the hotel and my little bit of time, we got a taxi up to the bus station in John Chen, and the bag was handed in.
All intact, all handed in.
The
Nothing
office.
gone missing, nothing.
Yeah.
2 credit cards, bank card,
How much was in?
all in 500 quid in cash.
500 quid, cards, everything.
Everything.
Still there. The bus driver had handed it in. So not everybody in this world is dishonest.
Yeah.
But it could have been a different.
It could have been a
walking round
different. It had
today.
everything. And the only thing it didn't have in was my passport. So,
Yeah, so-
I would have been in trouble getting back home and.
Yeah.
and
So it
stuff.
turned out all right in the end.
Yeah.
But you can talk about people. We shouldn't have left it. Blah blah. This morning I bought a pair of trainers. I was in a pharmacy, and what did I do? Just left them. I didn't even know. And we walked down the road, and he says, "Here, what about these?" So it's easy done. Anybody, because you're sidetracked looking at things, anybody can put something down and forget all about it.
Yeah, even if it's your phone when you're talking
Anything.
in a bar,
So
you just leave your phone.
Yeah.
Easy.
So anyway, we'll see how we get on later on. Soy 6. We'll see how we get on.
Buzzing.
Boo! Now then, where are we? I'm with Rabb. We're walking around in this heat. It's very hot. I bought myself a new baseball cap, and I asked her how much it was, and she says, Songroi bar. So I said to her, Ludnoi Dai Michab, can I have a discount? So she says, okay. So I said, Songroi Hasib, and offered her more than it was originally priced. Instead of saying Nungroi 150, Nungroi Hasib 150, I said 250, and she gave me a strange look. She couldn't believe it. But anyway, got a new baseball cap. We've been walking around all day. Soy 6 isn't open till 6 because of the elections. So we're just waiting for that to open. We've had a few coffees and drinks of pop, and now we're going to go for a pedicure.
Full Monty.
Yeah, but you don't have to take your clothes off for a pedicure. You think you've got to take your clothes off, but you don't have to. We're next to Soy 6. We're waiting 6 o'clock for the bars to open. It's the end of the elections and all that at 6. But we're underneath this jet plane. What plane is it? It's a 747, and you don't appreciate how big they are. It's absolutely solid. And look at this. This is from the underneath. How does it get off the ground? When you think about it. The tyres, the Rabb said, the tyres on it are made in England. But it needs no tread on this one. I want Bridgestone. I wonder how much they cost. About 10 minutes to go before take-off. Not this plane. Take-off on Soy 6.
Soy 6,
Be
just
si-
down the road.
It'll be 6 o'clock and it's open. But we had a good afternoon walking around. been for a foot pedicure and Rabb for a foot massage. First one he's ever had. What do you reckon of the experience?
Really, really thrilling.
It wasn't one of them massages on his feet. So yeah, we've had a good day so far. The bars will be opening shortly, so we will make our way to size 6.
And then it'll be right on.
It'll be ride on,
Right
right on.
Right on. Both if you want, right on and right on.
So yeah, I'm impressed at the size of this aeroplane here. It'd be nice if they could do something with it, maybe make it into a cafe or a restaurant. It could be quite good. The sun is slowly setting on Pattaya Beach. We've got about 3 minutes until size 6 opens. Me and the Rabb are both waiting eagerly for the first beer of the day. I'll show you a few scenes. Beautiful Pattaya Beach. So we'll shortly be setting off. I'll just take this scene. Where's he gone? Where's Rabb? Where's he at? Oh, he's here. What are you doing?
I'm getting ready, mate. I'm running up that street in a minute. I've seen them all.
He's keen. He's keen.
Lovely.
Beautiful, aren't they?
Beautiful, absolutely. You don't know what you're missing. I've had a good look and I'm going to sample. Thank you.
And what do you think so far? What do you think?
Mind blowing.
Why you won't make me?